Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name's Mia. I don't know what I'm doing with my life right now. Currently, it is 1:08 in the morning and I am not planning on going to sleep. It has been my goal since the beginning of quarantine to pull an all-nighter, so tonight is gonna be the night. And I need some things to do during quarantine, so I'm gonna do crafts. I'm going off to college soon and I don't like any of my clothes. Currently I've been wearing the exact same 3 hoodies and shorts every single day. So I'm tired of those clothes, so I'm gonna repurpose my old clothes because I can't go shopping right now because no stores are open. So I have 2 things I'm gonna repurpose. I have these jeans that I actually really like these jeans and I wear them a lot. The holes in them have just gotten like too big. So I think I might like cut them into shorts and then I'm gonna embroider the pockets of them. And then these shorts I haven't worn in honestly like a year and a half. I don't even think I wore them last summer and it was freaking hot as hell last summer. But I'm gonna embroider the pockets on these. I'm actually gonna bleach these tomorrow as well. Well, I guess I'm gonna bleach them in 8 hours. So I'm gonna bleach like half of them and then I'm gonna embroider the other half of them. Okay, well, to start this project, we need some templates. So I'm going to get my notebook, my drawing notebook, and draw some sketches of what I want to do. I think on the shorts, I'm gonna do a profile of a woman's face. And then on the pants, I think I'm gonna do tropical leaves. Or like flowers or something. I don't want to do flowers because flowers are basic, but I think I'm gonna do leaves on the pockets of them. Okay, I'm just really disorganized right now. I think it's mainly because I had like 3 hours of sleep last night and I haven't slept since like 9 this morning. But I couldn't find, I didn't lose it because I was using it yesterday, but I couldn't find my actual sketchbook, so I just have a random notebook that I found on my dresser. I couldn't even find a pencil, so I'm using a pen, which is probably a mistake because I suck at drawing. Even though I'm an AP art. I mean, I'm an AP ceramics, but still. Took a lot of art classes as a kid. I'm not even gonna show you guys the first try because it was so bad. It's okay to mess up, guys. Okay, take 2. Okay, I messed up on the hair on that one, but it's getting better. We're gonna do a few more. Okay, here's before I add hair, because last time I messed up on the hair, so we're gonna try one more time for hair. Okay, here's after I hit hair. I still have no idea how. Isn't even focusing? Oh my god. Oh, my hair's weird. Oh god. I'm sorry I look like shit. I still don't know how I feel about it. Maybe if I add a neck. I'm gonna add a neck. See how it does. See how we feel. We'll see how I feel. You guys can't answer me. Write in the comments if I'm a terrible artist and I should give up. But I'm gonna add a neck and then I'm gonna try one more. Maybe a different hairstyle. Okay, there's after I had the neck. Okay, I kind of like it. It's growing on me. We're gonna try one more time. And then we're just gonna go for it. Because I don't care about these shorts anyways. Okay, we're starting out now. That one was terrible. Absolutely terrible. We're not talking about it. Okay, this one looks like a dude. Like, that's not even a girl anymore. Oh my god. These are getting worse. Okay. I think I know what I did wrong. I'm gonna try it one more time. And if it doesn't work, we're gonna go back to the first somewhat successful one. Where was that? Oh. Okay. I know what I need to do. I think I got it down now. We're gonna do it one more time. Hopefully. I think this is the last one I'm doing because I don't want to do anymore. I know it looks terrible. We're not gonna talk about it. Also, I look terrible. But now we have to sketch it onto the pants, the shorts. So. Okay, now that we have the terrible sketch done, take some embroidery thread, and we're gonna embroider. I'm gonna do blue. I'm gonna do light blue. Because I was gonna do white, but we don't have any white. I did, but I should do brown. Well, oh my god, I am so tired. That took me 3 hours. It is now 4 o'clock, still watching Criminal Minds, and I finally finished the single pair of shorts. I did the face and it looks like absolute shit. Like, oh my god, I hate myself for making that. Like, it looks so bad. I didn't even do the rest of the hair because it looked so bad. And then I was like, I'm gonna torture myself more and do some more. And so I ended up freehanding like, oh my god, you can't see this. I ended up freehanding like a human body, like a female body, onto the pant, like the shorts, like the short, like, just like very simple, like feline female body. And then I did that, which I kind of actually like how that looks. Like, it kind of looks like she's dancing, which I like. But also, just embroidery is so hard, especially on jeans. And I don't know why I wanted to do this, but it's a good waste of time, and I only have to stay up for like 4 more hours. So, actually, I should just stay up until I go to bed tomorrow night, but tonight. So now, this one. I don't know what I'm gonna do on these. I was thinking leaves, but then like, we don't really have a good green. Like, we have this green, which is like a multi-green, which is like kind of cool. Maybe I'll do it in like, I kind of want to do red. Like, red on that would kind of be cute. Okay, see, this is cute, like, right? Like, that's cute. But that would take so long. Oh my god, I didn't. Maybe I'll do it like right here. Like, there's this little spot right here. That's not a pocket that I can just. I look like I'm drawing weird puzzle pieces. I also don't know what this leaf is called. Hopefully they look better after I embroider them, but they probably won't. I'm done. Fucking finally. Dude, I messed up on one of the leaves, and me being me was like, no, I can do better. So I took the entire thing out, which was like an hour's worth of work, and redid it, like, because I'm an idiot. So the second leaf, that leaf is a little bit better, still kind of terrible. And that leaf is just, I don't know. And then I did these 2 flowers over here, even though they absolutely suck. One of them I was just like, I don't know what that was, but I did it. And let's see what time it is. It is 6:10. So I did that for 2 hours? I don't know. 3 hours. I did it for a long time, but I'm so dead right now. I can barely talk and I need water, but yeah. So that was the video. Me just randomly doing embroidery at 2 a.m. in the morning. I honestly hate these pants even more now, even though I liked them before. The leaves just, maybe if I add more it'll look better, but I'm not doing that right now. Those flowers just look so bad. I do like these shorts though. I like this, I like this one a lot better than the face. The face was not a move. Don't embroider faces if you have never embroidered before. But I'm gonna bleach these today as well. So I think that will make them look better. But that was the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please subscribe, like the video, and I hope you guys have a great day.